So apparently last night, a raccoon was found by a trail cam. Or 5:25.
William.
Here it comes. Just witnessed him assault my chicken and throw it overboard. What a schmuck. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Sorry, you better pick him back up. Evil, vile man. Chicken, I will save you. 5:25. 25. This is such a precarious hold. I'm on a dock, surrounded by water. I literally almost just dropped this guy trying to take him off of view, which I should not have been doing on the dock, but I did because I'm an insane person. So my little cousin just went out on that kayak right there. There's the Scooty with that guy on and the rubber chicken that's laying over by the scooter, and we added it to. I'm trying to hold it. Okay, there we go. And we just filmed more for my episode of today. Probably going to be episode 8. Tonight I want to film on episode 9, which could be another campfire story. But yeah, it's just a blast. He improvised some really great stuff. Love hanging out with this little guy. By little, I mean he's 15. He's like the same height as me. So I'm not sure if he's a little guy. So far, things have been going great. I found a perfect spot for kind of like ramping the scooters, which is over there. It's like a nice little bump right before the road, and I've been ramping. The only time I actually looked, I was going 17 miles an hour when I hit the ramp. There's just like a divot, just a nice little mound kind of. You just kind of hit it, pop up. Got some cool shots. Put one in here. But yeah, this first episode's pirate scooter rides. Oh, don't want to lose the hat to the water. It's a new hat. Pirate scooter rides, and then we integrate the kayak, which was awesome improv. We were literally walking out here because he's like, I'm gonna go kayaking, and he's like, should grab a camera or whatever, you know, and he wanted to take the pirate hat. And then as we were walking down here, we're like, dude, should we like film it? And then we was like, he came up with the chicken idea. Oh man, it was great. The episode will hopefully be up before this update, because yesterday is going to be an update in itself. Today might be an update in itself as well. Day 2, Memorial Day weekend. There might be 4 days. I might be here Tuesday because charging cables. So, news. I know you're kind of just now learning. I have 2 scooters. I'm down to 1. Sold one to my little cousin for not much. Very reasonable price. And so he bought the cheap scooter. The little Ripper, as I like to call it. I kind of named it the Dragon at one point, but I pretty much refer to it as the Little Ripper. And then that's the big Scooty. I don't have a name for him. I just call it the Mantis because that's what its brand is. The Mantis and the Little Dragon. Little Ripper. So, in the next couple months, I'll probably buy another Little Ripper. Because I can't not have a Little Ripper at this point. It's fun. Especially if I buy land, I need a little Ripper. Plus, if I'm going to come back out here, I might as well buy another one. Because I can find one for a little bit less than I bought the first one for. So I might just buy one of those. It's got a better display. It's kind of like a new and improved, different brand, but it'll be dope. I'll have another Little Ripper. My mom's not going to be happy about me buying another scooter. But I'm an adult. I have adult money. $5.29, 2025. I forgot to do a second outro for updates while I was out Memorial Day weekend. So here it is. First off, I hope you enjoyed. I threw a couple of sunset photos in, or clips in. There was a raccoon. It's a cute little raccoon hanging out. Got some footage of that. Caught a couple of bunnies. This one was much more chill. Me chit-chatting on a dock after doing some filming. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace out. Love you. Chillax, man. Catch you next time.